Oh my god, it sounds so good. And it feels really good. By choosing from a Audi R8 or a Lamborghini Gallardo, I believe this one is more bang for buck than what the Lambo is. Because if you want a Lambo with the same engine and the more reliable, you have to go up to like, I think it's 08 or 09, and then you have to pay like 40,000 euros more for that car than this car, and that doesn't make any sense. Not to me at least, because I still have the sound and the feeling. Oh my god, it sounds so good. And it feels really good. A lot, the sound, like it is hard to describe when you are not in the car, because I don't think this video will give the sound justice. But I am inside the car and have no microphone attached to the engine or the exhaust or anything. This is purely the sound that comes in the cockpit, and yeah, I don't know, it is just such a good car. The sound is crazy. I tried a friend's Lamborghini Aventador, and that was a big impact for why I wanted this car, because it's still in a reasonable price range, and you get the sound and you get the robot gearbox, which is quirky and single clutch like the Aventador. It is not by far even close to the Aventador, but it still gives that little bit of feeling on the sound and the shifting. It is not as raw as the Aventador, not even close, but it is as close as you can get for the money. I hope you understand it right, because yeah, it is crazy. Like, I mean, you need 300,000 euros more to get a Lambo Aventador. Like, come on, that is a lot of money. Oh. And the sound is brutal. When you go through the city and in between the buildings and its echo, like, it is absolutely crazy. Is a little bit sketchy because it has just recently rained, so the car is a little bit the road is a little bit uneven with dry and wet surface. I didn't plan on making any video. This was just some spontaneous trip, because I was up and showing my dad the new car, and then I thought, while I'm still up there, I can go on some nice road if they are reasonably dry, and they are. At least I can try it out. Wow. The shifting, it's crazy. Please let me know, guys, what you think about the car and what you want to see, because my fantasy isn't that good, and yeah, I want to know what you guys want to see, and I can try to do my best to give you what you want to. I will not drift or slide or anything with this car, because it's not worth it. Like, this is a driver car. I will just go out and enjoy, but for sure I will try to do some good video with sound and things like that. But please, if you're wondering something about the car and like that, please let me know. because I will try to do my best to answer all your questions. So yeah, cheers guys, and hope you enjoyed this video.